Yeah, let me go down there and I'll get a picture of you and the coon. Have you named it?
Yeah, Zorro.
Huh?
Zorro.
Zorro? Oh, that's right, yeah.
Okay, let's see.
I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, Nick, you cannot let
He's
her.
biting me.
You can't let her get close to those holes in there because she gets under that deck. We got a problem. Nick.
That's worse.
It's okay. Yeah, he is really cute.
Yeah. Okay, let him go. Just let go with your hand. He's not gonna fall off. See? He won't fall off. He wants to come down. Watch him. Let's see where he goes now. Here he comes. Back to me. Well. Max, be good. Max.